Welcome back to Primetime Sports Friday. Now, unlike ISA, who have set a proposed date for the start of school sports, the JFF is yet to do likewise for the National Premier League. The league was cancelled and declared null and void in May. More in this report.
With the National Premier League exactly 3 months away from its regular start, there is still uncertainty as to when it will go ahead. The league is expected to start at a later date due to the disruption caused by COVID-19, but there is no date proposed by the JFF as to when it could possibly go ahead. The resumption of all sports must get the clearance from government after each association submits a proposal which includes a protocol.
We have not yet been able to come up with a protocol as it relates to a restart and, of course, a training regime for the Premier League. We are actually working on one for the senior men's program, but we still have not yet gotten any information or any indication from the ministry as to when we will be permitted to start.
According to JFF President Michael Ricketts, they've been having meetings with the government over the last 2 weeks.
And this was headed by our medical team, Dr. Arcott, Dr. McDowell, and others from the ministry. And they, having had the word with Dr. Arcott, are still not very comfortable with starting a competition like the Carter Cup or the Manning Cup.
But Ricketts says there's still some time for a decision to be made.
Normally the competition starts the last Sunday in August, sometimes first week in September. So we are still waiting and cautiously hoping that we'll get a positive word from the ministry.
The JFF will meet on Tuesday to discuss plans for the national program.